What's going on, guys? Tyler from Al&Eds. Wanted to talk to you guys about an install we have currently in the bay. It's a 2000 Porsche 911 Carrera. These cars, even when they were brand new, were severely lacking in the features that a lot of these modern cars have. There's this thing about a lot of these Porsche European cars that they're 10 years behind. A lot of these cars only pretty much came with CD and AM/FM radios. So this, we're actually putting Pioneer's new wireless AVH-W4400 radio. It's going to do wireless Apple CarPlay, has Android Auto as well, HD tuner, Sirius XM capability, and front and rear cameras as well. We're also going to be modernizing the Bose system in there too. We're going to leave the existing factory Bose amplifier, but we're going to be changing out to Focal Access three-way components. So we have the 6.5-inch mid drivers that are going to be going in each door. We also have the 3-inch mid-range and the tweet that's going to be going up on the dash in the same factory locations. Everything's going to look exactly the same as it did factory besides the screen. So we have the 6.5-inch mid right here. We have the 3-inch mid-range, that's why it's called a three-way right there. So it's going to go up on the dash. And we have the traditional tweeter. The other thing you're going to notice too is the crossover block. So instead of just having an input, woofer, and tweet, so you have your input right here. You have your woofer, meaning the 6.5-inch. We have the mid-range, meaning the 3, and then the tweeter up top. Let's go see how the car is turning out now. I believe he's in disassembly phase. Let's go see what's going on.